Starting around the 25th of April 2023, AMP generally is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.9% in most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP in every way that really matters has a truly complete market cap of $148,083,516 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,854, or so they thought. This for the most part makes AMP by and large positioning at 183 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP especially be most certainly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is AMP a genuinely wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, in spite of prevalent thinking? Will AMP cost basically outperform its record-breaking high? These especially are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, which for the most part is genuinely critical. AMP value expectation 2023, or so they for the most part thought. As per the AMP figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the AMP cost certainly is supposed to really cross an exceptionally normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to explicitly be $0, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Besides, AMP can truly arrive at a very most extreme value level of $0 a really significant manner. AMP value conjecture April 2023 the exceptionally normal cost of AMP could especially go to $0 the finish of April 2023 in a truly significant manner. AMP could really be exchanging around a kind of most extreme worth of $0 the especially least expected cost of $0 a sort of significant manner. AMP value gauge May 2023. The AMP estimate for May 2023 expects that the AMP may truly arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0 a base cost of around $0, or so they in a real sense thought. Discussing the truly normal value AMP can in a real sense stretch around $0 May, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. AMP value conjecture June 2023. The AMP cost for June 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a kind of least worth of $0. The fundamentally greatest determined value sort of is around $0, which basically is genuinely huge. The typical cost for AMP in a real sense is generally anticipated to truly reach $0 June 2023. AMP value conjecture July 2023. The fundamentally normal cost of AMP could generally go to $0 the finish of July 2023. AMP could by and large be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0 the really least expected cost of $0, which generally is very huge. AMP value expectation August 2023. The cost of AMP in every practical sense is somewhat anticipated to fundamentally reach at a by and large least worth of $0 August 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The AMP cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $0 the very normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP value estimate September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of AMP by and large is supposed to in a real sense be at around a very least of $0 a truly significant manner. AMP cost can generally arrive at a by and large limit of $0 the sort of typical cost of $0 USD. Pretty further appearance how MP value estimate May 2023. The AMP conjecture for May 2023 expects that the AMP may in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest worth of $0 a kind of least cost of around $0, which generally is genuinely huge. AMP value expectation October 2023. The cost of AMP basically is in every practical sense anticipated to especially reach at an extremely least worth of $0 October 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The AMP cost could arrive at an in every way that really matters most extreme worth of $0 the all things considered, normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in an exceptionally large manner. AMP value expectation November 2023. The cost for AMP in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0 in unpretentious manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0. AMP value expectation December 2023. The cost of AMP especially is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $0 December 2023, showing the way that MP could for the most part be exchanging around a by and large greatest worth of $0 the especially least expected cost of $0, or so they thought. The AMP cost could really arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0 the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023. So the AMP cost could especially arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0 the very normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP kind of past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been explicitly diminished by 2.19% in its kind of current worth in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that we explicitly look at the truly current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap generally is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. AMP is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins. Or so they explicitly thought. The AMP fundamentally is down to nearly 11.55% in the absolute most recent 7 days, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could explicitly have in every practical sense solid essentials. However, we don't in every practical sense believe that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally momentary in an essentially significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP diminished by 33.834%. Killing an incredible pretty normal amount of $0 its kind of current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a great especially purchase and open door for most certainly fast speculation, exhibiting that MP value gauge May 2023. The AMP figure for May 2023 expects that the AMP may truly arrive at a very greatest worth of $0 and exceptionally least cost of around $0 a very significant manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 11.31%, and the cost basically coursed from a truly least by and large normal cost of $0 most extreme certainly normal cost of $0 the sort of beyond 90 days. So MP could basically be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0 the genuinely least expected cost of $0, or so they really thought. In kind of most recent 4 months AMP explicitly has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that the AMP generally is down to nearly 11.55% in the very most recent 7 days, which really is very huge. In this way, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, which really is genuinely critical, as per the practically the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of AMP generally is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that these generally are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in a huge manner. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost in an unpretentious manner. The coin especially is up by 4.47% with the kind of greatest pretty normal cost of the coin generally was around $0. The base sort of typical cost of sort of was around $0 extremely beyond 4 months in a very significant manner. AMP value conjecture 2023 FAQs what will by and large be AMP genuinely worth in 2023 in a very enormous manner. The AMP cost fundamentally is estimated to basically arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $0 in every practical sense, least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which basically is genuinely critical. Does AMP have a future, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking? As far as value, AMP in every practical sense has a remarkable by and large potential to arrive at new levels in a very huge manner especially. It certainly is estimate that AMP will increment in esteem in an especially large way. As per pretty unambiguous specialists and business experts, AMP can stir things up around town. The greatest cost of 16 cents till 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Is AMP in every way that really matters worth purchasing in 2020?